everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get all my future videos, and please drop an awesome comment below at the end of this video. Today we have a good one for you. We are going to be doing grilled shrimp, and it's a 16 to 20 count shrimp, so not quite the jumbo but pretty big shrimp in the new Power XL air fryer grill. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here's what we got. So I have a dozen shrimp here. They're 16 to 20 count, so they're not quite jumbo, but they're pretty good size. So that's what we got. They've already been deveined, deshelled, tails off, everything like that. And all we're going to do is we're just going to take these, and I got some skewers over here, pretty simple, and make sure to put them on all the same way. And just go through the bottom part here, right through the top, slide it on down. And we're just going to do about 3 of these per skewer. So we're going to go ahead and get these on. Okay, now we got them on the skewers. As you can see, super easy. Now we're just going to hit them with a little bit of seasoning. You can use any kind of seasoning you want. I want a little bit of Cajun spice, so I got some Slap Your Mama stuff that's Cajun. As you can see in the bottom, Cajun seasoning. And I also like this, the Zatarain's blackened seasoning. So a mix of those. We're just going to give a little bit of shake on the top, or yeah, the top and the bottom of these, and then we're going to go to the next step. Got them all seasoned up with both those seasonings, a little bit of Cajun stuff. So let's go ahead and go to the air fryer and get these things grilled up. Alright, so the next step, super simple. Grab your grate, go ahead and put that in there. We're going to close the door. We're going to go ahead and start this thing out. We're going to put it on 350 degrees. We are going to put it on the air fryer grill, and then we're going to turn it on to 20. Now what this is going to do is going to slowly warm this up. After about 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to crank it up to 450 and get this thing really super hot. So we're going to give this a minute, and while we're waiting, I got the shrimp in the fridge, so we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes. I got this thing up to 450 degrees. I got all the shrimp, well, actually all the shrimp right here. Let's see if we get a shot of the shrimp. There we go. Let's go ahead and go into the shrimp. It's been heating up for about 7 minutes. Whew. Oh my goodness, that already smells good. Alright, so we got the shrimp in there. The plate is super hot. We're going to close this thing up. Probably about 3 minutes. We'll come back and turn them over. Alright, it's actually been just shy of 4 minutes, about 3 minutes and 50 seconds. We're going to open this up and turn them. Now I suggest that you wear an oven mitt or something like that, or tongs to turn or whatever, but I'm just going to use my hands. Let me see if I can zoom in here so we can get you kind of a good look. Whew, that is hot. Looking good. All right, I'd say probably 2 minutes and we're done. All right, we're finished. As you can see, I've already started chomping, kind of taking, tasting the stuff, and that seasoning is a little spicy. I love it. Look at the color on these things. Let's see if we get you a nice picture here. There we go. Look at those. Phenomenal. Yes. Alright, got a little bit of butter here. Some butter. These are absolutely Awesome. Super good job. All right, I'll be right back with you. All right, we are finished with the cook, and as I showed you before, amazing. I mean, these things turned out crispy, perfect, at about just shy of 8 minutes, about 7 minutes and 40-something seconds anyway. Turned out amazing, super good. So that's how you do shrimp on the new Power XL air fryer grill. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Hit that bell for notifications, leave an awesome comment below. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.